So, a Canadian water bomber was working over the fire in California, and somebody was flying a drone, and the drone hit the wing. And so it grounded this plane, but not just this plane, it grounded all aircraft in the area for a minute, and now the FAA is investigating. So I read that Quebec is sending two more planes now because this one is grounded. And I think they said it's not until like maybe Monday that it'll be back in the air. But can you imagine? I saw the like planes from Canada and I was just like, because there's like firefighters and with like planes like water bombers from BC, Alberta, Ontario, Quebec, all those places. But anyhow, I saw it and I was just like, yay, Canadians are helping people fight fires, right? Because, I live in an area that's close to forests and stuff and mountains. But then I just saw, like, the fact that a person, some jerk with a drone is up there interfering and actually damaging the plane. There's a hole in the wing. And I'm not sure about this plane, but a lot of planes have their fuel line in the wing. So just imagine your house is burning down and there's a bomber that drops water on like your neighbor's house, and then they ground all of the planes and your house is still burning because they can't have anybody up in the air. And yeah, it just was so upsetting. Like, can you imagine like the effect on some of those people by not having this plane in service? Like, oh my gosh, why do people do stuff like this? I'm sure those people are grateful that, these people, that anybody is coming to help them. But just the fact that somebody had to think about it for a minute. They had to think, let me get a drone that's big enough to hit a plane and damage it, and let me fly it over a fire. And I'm not sure about this, but it's for probably for social media, to like survey the area and have some stupid social media post about the fire. Like, come on. So the FAA, like I said, is investigating, and the police now are trying to find this person who flew the drone, because it's, I think, a $75,000 charge, and they could go to jail for a year for something like that. It's a federal crime to interfere with firefighting, and yeah, just really upsetting. Like, why would you do such a thing? Why do you need to be there? Why do you have to take a video of it with your stupid drone? I don't understand. But like I said, Quebec is gonna send two more of these types of aircrafts, and like there's firefighters from all over Canada who are coming, like Ontario, Alberta, Quebec, BC, places that are like mountainous with like the type of firefighting capabilities. What do you think?